This restructuring was basically on account of a very important initiative of the company, which is to mainly focus on areas where we believe we are strong on. We are more focused. We are really investing into new areas where we believe we have more growth coming in. We had to let some people go on a global basis, but of course, interestingly from India perspective, the impact was less than 0.5% of the global impact. So kind of hardly a negligible impact which happened in India. And India remains a very important kind of geography for us, so we keep on investing and growing in this market. India remains a very important market or a country for multiple reasons. One, of course, is we have a huge engineering capability in India. Already we have 1,000+ engineers in India, and that number is growing. As we speak, we are adding more capabilities on the engineering side. This is beyond the people we have from support perspective. So India is definitely very important as a base to us to get the good talent from an engineering perspective. And again, from the market perspective, while we don't publish data for each countries, but definitely India is doing very good, and we've been growing very fast. India is a great market to do new things. Now, if you see in the government space, we believe that's again a huge market for us now, and we're going to invest in a big way in that space as well. So our focus is basically on 4 or 5 key areas, from business perspective. The first area for focus is, clearly we want to be number one when it comes to mobility and virtualization. The second big area where we are investing a lot is of course networking. The third area, of course, is that we want to build our own cloud. So the Citrix Cloud, I don't know if you heard of Citrix Cloud, but that's the new investment we're making in terms of we delivering services of Citrix on the Citrix own cloud. So basically trying to create what we call a workspace as a service, or WAS platform. So WAS is the third key area for Citrix where we are kind of very heavily investing on. And finally, a very important space which is still emerging, we believe, is enterprise file sync and sharing. So that's again a big market for us, and we are again investing in a ShareFile platform to grow that space for us.